Guys, this is how to use the washing machines at university. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the Circuit app. Once you download the Circuit app, you want to add funds through a credit card or PayPal, simply by adding the amount here and then clicking your preferred payment method. Details and the payments come through. As you can see, it's come up here, your receipt, and you paid £9. You just press use machine. So you can either get the machine number or you can use the QR code. The machine number will be on the machine. So for this, I'm going to be using the QR code. All you simply want to do is go to the washing machine you're currently using and scan the code there. Once you scan this code, you want to press submit machine code. Press continue. As you can see, it will say cycle start. All you want to do is have your settings and just press start.